examined my eyes and my mouth. On white foot, on a star of white. Where did you get those from? You've been broken in. Very well. Very well indeed. Of course, I had heard of breaking in. I did not understand that, what it really meant. The very next day, my master came by and gave me some oats as usual. After a great deal of coaxing, he got the bit into my mouth. What a nasty thing the bit was. A terrible piece of cold, hard steel between my teeth and over my tongue, and held there by straps over my head and under my throat. Next it was the saddle. My master put it on my back